Welcome back to day 16 of Very Green Lockdown. Now, one of the most important things that you can do to help the environment is plant a tree. So today I'm going to be planting this. This tree I bought is an apple tree and it's a Cox orange pippin, and I'm going to plant it today in this video. If you hold on until the end of the video, you'll also hear about a competition which I am doing from today until the end of the 30-day Very Green Lockdown series, where you'll be in with a chance to win an eco-friendly prize. So, I've got my tree in position of where I'm going to put it. This is a container tree. You can get bare root trees as well at the moment, and January is a good time to plant your tree. Bare root trees are particularly cheap at the moment as well, but I happen to buy locally and got a containerised tree. So I need to dig a hole now that is just no more than an inch above the container level. We don't want to bury the root stock point here. This needs to be underneath. So I'm now going to dig a hole. It's also important that you support your tree with a good stake in the ground before you put your tree in, so that you don't hit the roots by putting it in afterwards. So, I've now positioned the tree in the hole with the stake. It's important to really rip out some of those roots and tease them around the stake so that you get a close bond between the two. We're then going to tie with a loose tree tie or a bit of cloth the tree to the post to keep it stable, because you don't want it blowing over in the wind and breaking. So now we're going to fill the earth back into the hole, but we're going to avoid putting any of the grass back in upways. Turn it back down so the grass doesn't grow back up, and remove any big rocks or stones. Like that one. Or pieces of tile. If you're finding that the earth is loose, you need to make sure you're tapping it down and avoiding any voids, because you don't want the tree to dry out and the roots to dry out because there's too much air around them. So always pat it down as you go. So now the final step is to put some mulch over the top, which can be bark or manure. I don't have any manure right now, so I'm going to use bark. And we're just going to do a thick layer to stop any weeds or grass growing back through where the hole is. This step will also keep the moisture in and keep the water from evaporating up. So there we have it, guys. That's my apple tree, and hopefully I'll get some apples later this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed me planting that apple tree and are going to plant your own trees soon. Now, competition time. You have an opportunity to win an eco-friendly prize from a competition that I will be running from today until the end of the 30 days of the Very Green Lockdown. All you have to do is comment below in today's video or another video in the series and tell me a new thing that you've done in this 30 days lockdown to help the environment. At the end of the 30 days, a winner will be randomly chosen to win the eco-friendly prize and announced in the final video of the series. I hope to see you guys again tomorrow, and remember to hit subscribe.